Exam Tips in YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell icon. Now we are going to discuss about professional knowledge, important topics for the IPPSSO IT officer, SPSO, SPSCO IT officers. Please note these points. Professional knowledge. Norton is an antivirus. Norton is an antivirus software program that protects computer and stop the virus, spyware, worms, trojans. Boot is start up a computer. Loading software in computer, managing memory of computer. When computer is started, then there is an operation which is performed automatically by the computer, which is called booting. In booting system will check all hardware software that are installed attached to the system. Trojan is a dash. Appears as normal program. Trojan is a piece of software designed to look like a useful file or software program, but perform a possibly nefarious functions once installed on a client computer. Which of the following is a third generation language? Gobel, Fortran, Pascal. Gobel, Fortran, Pascal. C is a dash generation language. Third generation language. 8087 is a dash match processor IC peripheral. Internet Web Steering Committee are involved in managing the internet. They are also involved in strategic planning for internet futures and internet security. IP address is can change even if the domain name remains same. SSL in Linux provides logging. SSL secure socket layer protocol provides channel security with protection against dropping, tampering, impersonations. DAS is used for high-speed telecommunications. Ethernet cabling is most commonly used in high-speed wire computer network. Data can be transmitted over wireless access points. It is a spare coaxial or fiber optic cable at a speed of 10 Mbps to 1000 Mbps. A peer-to-peer network requires numbers special operating system other than Windows 95 or 98. Various client server network operating systems such as Windows NT and Novel network are better for large scale organizations. Usenet Usenet news group service or worldwide bulletin board system that can be accessed through the internet. Usenet is a collection of the user submitted notes or messages or various subjects that are posted to servers on a worldwide network internet. Each subject collection of posted note is called as a news group, which URL is used to link to multimedia. URL is used to link multimedia, hypermedia. Hypermedia, a term derived from hypertext, extends the notion of the hypertext link to include links among any set of multimedia objects. Hypertext link to include the links among any set of multimedia objects, including sound, motions, video, visual reality. 802.5 topology is called token ring. Fastest memory is cache memory. Fastest memory is a cache memory. The memory cache is highest speed memory available inside the CPU in order to speed access to data instructions stored in RAM memory. Mosaic is browser of Unix. Mosaic browsers are currently available for Unix workstations running X Windows. Webguide. This is important. Webguide is the website which is subsystem of categories and subcategories that organize links to the web pages. Microprocessor in ALU. A microprocessor in ALU. Register unit and input-output device on a single chip. A group G with n node is bipartite if it contain a group G, no cycle of odd length. HTTP port number 80. Information is used for making decisions. Information data that has been processed in such a way as to be meaningful to the person who receive it. Information is valuable as it can affect behavior, a decisions, or an outcome. The dash duplex mode in the default mode for 10 Mbps DX connections. Half duplex. The half duplex mode is the default mode for 10 Mbps DX connections. Web server is computer system that delivered web pages. Web server can refer to either hardware, software, computer applications that help to deliver web content that can be accessed through the internet. WAN is for wide area network connecting different branch of an organizations within the city or in different cities. Wide area network is a large network covering cities, countries and continents. Microcomputer could be made because of invention of integrated circuit IC. Efficient system requirement analysis requirement for relational system development life cycle. Software equality assurance is for error detections. The feature limits the number of MAC addresses associated with the port in the MAC address table. Port security. The electronic fund transfer in the exchange of money from one account to another. The client is called in two-tier architectures. FAT client. TCP is reliable connections oriented protocol. TCP is a connections oriented end-to-end reliable protocol. TCP is a connection oriented, which means that the connection is established, maintained unit such time as the message to be exchanged by the application program. TCP provides reliable and strict order of the transmissions data delivery. Thank you to all.